Hi everyone, today I'm excited to introduce DATEM, a unique emulsifier in the food industry. Let's explore what makes it special. DATEM Emulsifier, also known as E472E. It's made from tartaric acid, mono and diglycerides. DATEM comes in two forms, powder and liquid. The powder is milk white. It quickly disperses in hot water and dissolves in organic solvents. The liquid form is pale yellow. Whether it's liquid or powder, DATEM emulsifier is your baking buddy. DATEM emulsifier is primarily used in baking to strengthen the gluten network in dough. It is also found in cakes and cookies. In cakes, it improves softness and texture, makes them delicate. In cookies, it enhances crispiness and extends freshness. Campsino offers various DATEM products to meet different needs. All are halal and kosher certificates for quality assurance. That is for today. If you need more info or want to buy DATEM emulsifier from us, just let us know. Looking forward to teaming up with you.